The centenary of Speedway, Friday the 15th of December 2023. I'll sort of show you some inside bikes here, and we'll start with this lovely Jap copper plated in absolute immaculate condition. Move on to the Harley Davidson Speedway bike here. Quick look at that, once again absolutely immaculate. And on to the Rudge. See the Rudge there, once again it's in absolute perfect condition. And over here we've got a Douglas, so we'll drop across here and have a look at the Douglas. Absolutely beautiful, that Douglas there too. Don't know a lot about any of these. Continue on with an MSN, the Jap Power Rotax, Westlake coming up here. Once again, it's in absolute immaculate condition. A couple more Rotaxes, Jap motors in them. ESO, CSO, once again with copper frame, absolutely immaculate. And we'll go across to the Jap with a period helmet on it here. Very early 1-2. These are just some of the bikes that you can see at Maitland today, Friday the 15th of December, or tomorrow, Saturday the 16th at Curry, where there's a race meeting to support the centenary. So these bikes are absolutely immaculate and they're gleaming even though they're inside. Hit the like button, tell us about any bikes you've had, especially Speedway associations. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.